Bombs away.
Do I have it?
Yeah, I got it.
Let me untangle this piece.
Oh, it's untangled. We're good.
It's already on
Yeah. We good.
Uh-oh. That one's the one that caught it, huh?
Yeah. And then it starts swimming into my worms.
Yeah, just take this one and then we'll like nibble it and just let
Nah, this one's the one that caught the carp.
Oh. We ran though.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Maybe we might have to come out here for carp, huh?
Yeah, just come right here. Drop in. That's why I was gonna move that little pole. So they can swim over there too.
Snag.
No, it's not snack.
No, I have not snagged over here yet.
Right here's this, here's drop off.
No, like over there.
Oh yeah, I've been snagging that. Yeah, there it is. Oh, dang. Can you help, Jackson? Can you net? Can one of you net though?
Yeah, I can net for you.
All right. Netter. Well, let him go. Oh wait, those Mexican guys want him. Oh, that's a good hook set. Right in the mouth. He's not ready. He's not ready. He's not ready.
Ooh, your third carp? Ooh.
A little bit.
Come on, please. Don't rip off.
No,
He's right in his lip.
The more you scare him, the more he wants to run. He's not ready yet.
Dad, just let him run.
Yeah, he's not ready yet.
Yeah, just let him run until he's tired out. Yeah, he's not ready.
Wanna trick him, trick him. Shit. I was on like nice and slow. Like that. See? Nice and slow. But he saw you. Nice and slow.
It's the thing with the net. When they see the net, they're like, ah.
He saw you. You're like, no. He's tired though, man.
Yeah,
Look, he's tired. Thank you. Thank you. Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
This guy's huge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I brought this net to catch bait fish. Is it a carp? Oh yeah. It's a carp.
Carp. No, it's okay. Your netting is horrible.
It's big.
Oh, it is big.
Boom. See?